This time we will learn about the calculation of width of the fabric in circular knitting machine. Suppose we are producing a fabric in a machine which cylinder dia is 30 inch, which machine gauge is 32, which walls per centimeter is 14, and our duty is to find out the width of the fabric in meters. Suppose this is the produced fabric, this is the fabric which I am producing, and we have to find out this one, the width of the fabric. The width of the fabric, we have to find out the needle. Suppose this is the needle, how many needles in the total needle bed of the fabric. To find out the needle, we have to multiple the dia within the gauge. As we know, the gauge means the needle per inch. As it is a 32 gauge machine, so in 1 inch of the needle bed there is 32 needle. So in the whole dia, in 30 inch of the dia, there would be the needle this time, and as it is a circular dia, then we have to multiply it with the pi, value of pi. So if we multiple dia with gauge and with the pi, then we will find the number of needle. Then our duty is to suppose this is the one needle is producing one walls, second needle is producing the second walls, third needle is producing third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven. Every needle is producing one walls. So if we want to find out the total width, first we have finding out the needle, that means the total number of walls in the fabric. And if we now if we are able to find out the thickness of one walls, and if we multiply the thickness of one walls with the number of walls or number of needle, then we will find the total width of the fabric. As in the question, it is given that there is 14 walls in per centimeter, that is 14 walls in 1 centimeter. So 1 walls is 1 by 14 centimeter. As we are calculating in meters, so we have to convert in it meter. So I have divided it with 100 and finding out the value meters. So we have multiple the total. If we multiple the total number of needle with the thickness of one walls, then we will find the total width of the fabric. So the full so the full formula would be cylinder dia into machine gauge into pi, the upper one, then divided by walls per centimeter 100. So the total answer would be like this. And if you find any kind of problem with this given data, if you follow this procedure, you will be able to calculate any kind of width of the fabric for any dia, any machine, any gauge, and any walls per centimeter. Thank you very much.